So Rem showed me this recipe to make protein pancakes, and oh my gosh, you guys, you're gonna be shook because they're so freaking good. Wow. I think I've made these the past like 3 days. I'm not even kidding. See, to me, these are better than like regular pancakes. Makeup is done. I kind of did it like pretty natural today. I didn't do any mascara on like the lower or anything. Today is, oh my god, it's 11/11. I swear I always see 11/11. I don't know if that means anything. I swear I always see it. It's my favorite. Okay, now it's 11/12. Anyways, so I have training later today and that's at like 3. So I have a few hours where we're gonna do some filming and I'm really excited because guys, seriously loving this video so far. But yes, so we're gonna do that. Also, I have a secret video that I'm filming. Obviously no one can hear me, but I have a secret video I'm filming. I don't want to say too much because I feel like I should just start filming that. Yes, I need to do that too before I go downstairs. Honestly, I'm pretty much ready. I just put my hair up in a ponytail because I feel like it's pointless to like actually do my hair if I'm just gonna go work out later. Like I don't want to do any heat to it. So I just put it up in a high pony and hopefully it looks decent. Impromptu unboxing. Guys, Celsius sent me, well, I'm assuming I can show these. They didn't say it's a secret. They have new products coming out. They have BCAAs. I'm so freaking excited. Also, sup, Ash? Bath & Body Works sent us new candles, and I'm not even kidding. Literally like an hour ago, I was thinking how I really want to go to Bath & Body Works and get new stuff. Oh my god, that smells so good. Blueberry maple pancakes. Oh my god, it smells like blueberry maple pancakes. What is up? Welcome to today's vlog. Can I just say how happy I am at the fact that like my hair somewhat looks decent today? Like I actually really like it. The pony itself is like not the hottest. However, I feel like I had this bright realization to be like, oh, Alisha, why don't you put up your hair? Because especially like after working out, my hair is always so sweaty and like a ponytail like this would never look good. But if you just put it up and then curl like the front pieces, oh my gosh, groundbreaking. We have our coffee. I'll shut up now. Actually, just kidding. It's my vlog. I don't have to shut up. You can exit now. So, starting our day off right, we have our home Keurig iced coffee with a hint of cinnamon, the new order, the new thing, the big deal. Okay, I'm not kidding, guys. It's seriously so freaking good. But yeah, okay, so today's Friday. Happy Friday. I have quite a like kind of ish busy day. People are staring at me right now because I'm currently at the gas station. I literally just filled up my car and I feel like it's funny that I'm showing myself doing it again. But TK actually came up with this like brilliant idea. Ready? We're gonna do a new series on my channel called Gas You Up. This is how it works. While Alisha is gassing up her car, because let's be real, it's so boring to do that and it's not that fun. Let's, oh, push. Yep, I knew that. We can take a few seconds. No, thank you. It's really hard to do this one-handed. So while we're waiting for my car to gas up, we can have a moment. And you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna gas you up. So every single time I'm gonna pick someone in my life or a fan or a subscriber or just someone and I'm just gonna like gas them up because why not? Let's spread love and positivity. People are being loud. I'm trying to do my gas you up challenge. So today's person is the lovely TK. TK, I just want to thank you. I was even thinking about it the other day when I was driving and I am just so freaking grateful for you and I truly hope you know. Oh, it's done gassing up. I guess that's all. Okay. No, for real. I am so freaking thankful for you. I'm so thankful that God put you in my life. You're like my little sister. I'm struggling. This is so hard to do one-handed. And I love you so much. Thanks for watching this segment of Gas You Up. I don't want a receipt. Okay. I feel like everyone is just staring at me hardcore. Okay, hold on. We're good. That's closed. Okay, well I hope that you loved that. Honestly, I feel like now I'm excited to like gas my car up all the time now. Yo. Oh, and I should shout them out. Everyone go follow TK. I'll have her thing right here below. That's it. That's the shout out. That is it. I feel like I finally found something that's like good. I love this. I'm not gonna vlog and drive, so let me stop talking, put this away, and yeah, let's do that. Hey yo, we're wearing our update time shirt. Did you notice?
Oh!
I know. I like grabbed this. I was like, wait, this t-shirt's so soft. And then I opened it and saw the update time, and I was like, shut up. I haven't worn this in so long. Yeah. Shop Alisha Marie. Link down below.
What's your favorite video? What's your favorite video that you've filmed in the last year?
In the last year, probably the mukbang with Josh.
Really?
That was one, like, as far as like funny, like fun times.
See, we should do it again.
What would you
This is me every day, guys.
Think my answer would be?
That one was hilarious.
I just,
also the driving, the letting the person
drive. Oh,
drive.
no. That one.
Oh, Chick-fil-A?
Wait, my favorite thing are our tantrums that we have.
Oh, yeah.
There's times where I like make fun of myself or other girls when they're just like pouting, like, yeah. And then
we'll start throwing stuff
then
like
then we just go back and forth with each other, and I'm like, we sound
like we'll be like throwing
funny
stuff.
If we do another drive-through one, we have to do Chick-fil-A.
Yes.
Or the Popeyes for their new one.
Also, go check out Joe's video with her in it. They do a mukbang.
That was good. That
was really good. You get to see Alisha Marie in another light.
I feel like
you are right now.
a literal other light.
See, typically you'd cut right here.
Yeah. Oh, I wouldn't include any of this. Right? I'd be like, the sliding looks like shit. Wow. Anyways, thank you for watching this Driving with Alisha and TK. Until next time, don't forget to thumbs up that like button. Or no, if you want more Driving with TK and Alisha, thumbs up that like button. Am I saying this pretty weird? Give this video a thumbs up.
So close.
Hi, can I just get a large iced coffee? And then also a large iced matcha. Can you make that with water instead of milk? Okay, the music is so loud in here and I don't want to get copyrighted, so this is the only talking clip. It's so freaking loud, right? I'm like so scared. I'm like, don't hear it. Oh my god, wait, the song literally just ended, so it's quiet for like 0.2 seconds, but we got a lot done. Got a lot of editing done. Very excited. Main channel video will be up Sunday. It's already up. It's the Sister Switch room one, so go watch it. Go watch it. Hey guys, what is up? I haven't done an unboxing for you guys in the longest time ever, so we're about to do an unboxing, and some of them are open already, but I haven't actually like gone through them yet, so I'm very excited. I feel like this is just like old vibes for like my channel and stuff, like very excited. Okay, first thing we got is from Sephora, and I'm very excited because you guys know how much I love my Lancer sunscreen, basically. I'm running out. I'm like using the last few drops of it, so I ended up ordering 3 of them because not all Sephora carries them. I don't think any Sephora carries them anymore, so I have to get them online, but I decided to like stock up, so your girl is set. Ooh. We have a package from B&H Photo and Video. Actually, I feel like I haven't talked about this on my channel in so long. I am so into like cameras and tech and stuff, so a package from B&H is just like Christmas Day to me. I pre-ordered this, and then I got a notification that it shipped like 2 days ago, and I was so shocked to see that it came so quick yesterday. So, the Canon 90D is officially out. I'm just like a kid in a candy store right now, I feel like. Oh my god, I'm so excited. The slow-mo on this is, so we got that. Very excited. Oh, I don't know what this is at all, so I feel like we should. I don't know if it's because, why did this package come so like weird? Okay, I placed an order on Mistress Rocks. Like it came like opened, kind of. Hopefully the clothes are fine. I think they're fine. Oh my god, this is, okay. I bought some clothes because I'm going to Japan, which I'm very excited for. First thing that we got these Pleather Joggers. I'm really excited. You guys know I love my joggers, so I figured why not get some like fancy looking ones so then I can still not have to like really wear nice things and I can just get away with wearing joggers every single day. Okay, then, oh my god, okay. So I wanted stuff that was definitely more like Tokyo vibes and more streetwear because I found this chest rigged, but there's this strap where it kind of like on, it's like a fanny pack, but it's like a cooler fanny pack. So excited for that. Oh my God, I'm really excited for this. So I got this in a large because I was hoping that like the bag gear will look better, especially because like I have a long torso and stuff, but it's just a sheer huge t-shirt. This would be so cute with biker shorts and like a little bralette underneath. Example, bralette underneath. Super cute. This is dope. Is it like zips down so you can kind of have it like open? I truly was like, this is so cute. I love that. Then we got this just white, cute cutout. Oh my God, this is so cute. The dress and not a romper. I feel like a lot of things like this, the jumpsuits come in like a romper type, but like skirt, like the rompers are just a no for me. They do not work. So I'm really excited for this. I hope it works out. I think it's gonna work. Okay. Next package. This is from Madewell. Their PR company actually hit me up and they were like, hey, do you want some free stuff? And I was like, yeah, I want some free stuff. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Okay, so they sent me, we got denim skirt, very cute. Denim pants, which I think might not be in the right size now that I think about it. Black denim pants. Black denim jacket, which I do not have. Madewell is like known for their denim, so I know it's like great quality. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, they sent it. Wow. Okay, believe it or not, I actually don't own a solid leather jacket. I'm so excited. Okay. Last box. Okay, this is from Revolve. I placed this order myself. I honestly just love Revolve. Sometimes they send me stuff, sometimes I just like place an order. I was also keeping in mind trip to Tokyo for this order and stuff. So since I just like cleaned out my closet, I was very aware of like all the clothes that I have and all the clothes I would like still like and all that kind of stuff. So I got these shoes, basically these just like little sandals. I think they'll be really cute and comfortable just to be like fancy and dressed up, but like, yo, this is like not a stiletto and I don't have to wear crazy high heels. So I know I'm not gonna wear them every single day, but I think they'll be really good when I just wanna like dress up and dress a little bit more. This dress, I actually meant to buy months ago. I kept putting it in my cart and then I would take it out because I'm like, oh, I don't have a reason to get it. It's so nice and I just wanna make sure that I wear it. Finally, with this trip coming up, I was like, this is perfect for Tokyo. It looks like this. It's from For Love and Lemons. It's like super cut out. Really excited. Hashtag Tokyo. I also got, these shoes from Jeffrey Campbell. You guys are gonna be so proud of me. I like these shoes a lot. I think this would also be really cute with what I'm wearing. I really liked them and I thought that was different for me. So I'm excited to kind of like venture out of just my white tennis shoe obsession because it's so bad. I really did like these and I'm so excited. So these are from Jeffrey Campbell.
It's literally killing me not watching this in real life.
Oh my God. Oh my God, come on, come on. I'm like almost done. Okay, wait, this is the dress that I got for Tokyo. I've been meaning to buy it. Isn't it so cute that I was like, we could dress up. Very, just like, let's dress up an outfit if I need to, but I'm still comfortable. You know what I mean? I got these. Are you so proud of me? Like even with this outfit, like I feel like it's a good like, okay, Alisha,
Wait, where did you get those?
They're Jeffrey Campbell. Aren't they so cute?
Dude, I would wear those all the time.
Okay, low-key, I don't even know if these are gonna fit. Here's the thing. These are their best reviewed leggings on Revolve. They're from Commando. They're kind of like leather, pleather. But here's the thing. All the reviews said they're like so hard to get on, but once you do, they're like the best leggings because they're like super stretchy. So I'm hoping I got my right size. I might be like really wiggling trying to get them on, but. And then, oh my God, what is it? Are you so proud? Oh, I got this dress.
So much color. Love.
I know, I was vibing with it. It's like a cutout.
Oh my God, that's so cute.
Which I thought I could even dress down with tennis shoes and like super street style and stuff. And then I got a blazer. I was just picturing it like oversized, you know? And then the last thing, I've been meaning to buy these shoes for so freaking long. They're super cute. They're by Elias May, but they're just like.
Oh, those are cute. The laces are dope.
The equivalent to the Balenciagas without spending literally $1,000. I really like them. So I thought that could be cute.
Dino Stomper season.
Dino Stomper season. I like how though they're not like too big.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Versus like my Naked Wolf ones are like. That is everything that I got. I hope this didn't bore you too much. I also love how I'm like, yay, I just cleaned up my closet. And then I'm like, yay, got more clothes. But that's kind of how it works. Also, again, huge shout out to Madewell for sending all of this because I'm in heaven.
Yeah, that's epic.
I think I should end the vlog now because I feel like this is really long. So, okay, bye.